I'ma head out then.
Yeah, I'm ready for it.
You sit right there?
Yeah, I think so.
You gotta go get in and close the door?
Oh, well. Shit. No, I might not need to do that. I had to think about it.
I can't turn it all the way up with the door open, but I need some.
Okay, just give me a little something.
What's up? You saying? Let's get a pile at the floor, you know what I'm saying? You got 51.
Hey, you still rolling? Yeah, you still rolling. Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me? All right, so I appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.